So hello, we have our student here, Ridhima. So she has been doing this 5-day workshop. Let's hear from her. What is her experience in this session? Yes, Ridhima.
I had a really amazing experience. I came here, I was really afraid that I may not do well. I don't have a really good memory. I used to think that. But soon I came here, you taught us many methods, which I really loved. And they helped me a lot. Now also when I study, I go home and study, I get the subject, what I'm reading. Now, if you ask how the program helped me, I'd rather say like I have been having a problem in knowing the dates of the history. In history, and basically knowing names of those geographical the guys who sailed over the seas, the maps and everything, their names, I really never used to remember them, what type of things they were. But since I came here, I again went home, opened the book and checked it, then I could really go through really well. I now remember all the topics that they taught now.
Would you like to demonstrate one of the skills? Maybe you have learned some things in serial order.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So would you like to tell some serial order items like the presidents or the prime ministers, whatever you like?
I'd rather say the prime ministers.
Okay, fine. Please go ahead.
So, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh,
Okay.
Indira Gandhi,
Okay.
Rajiv Gandhi,
Okay.
VP Singh,
Okay.
Chandrasekhar,
Okay.
Narasimha Rao,
Okay.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
Okay.
H.D. Deva Gowda,
Okay.
I.K. Gujral,
Okay.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
Okay.
Manmohan Singh,
Yes.
Narendra Modi.
Wow, that's great. She actually used the techniques learned here on her books, and that's a good thing. That's all about this program, because I am not teaching here general knowledge. I am not teaching here anything. I am just teaching some techniques, and somebody who is taking the techniques is utilizing it.